My name's Juliana Fuller, and I was diagnosed with follicular lymphoma in 2011. The questions that came to my mind at that time were not just about treatment and about survival, but also, how does a young adult face this? And from the very first moment that I was in contact with the Lymphoma Research Foundation, I was so impressed by the professionalism and just evidence-based information that was given.
For a lymphoma patient, whether it's newly diagnosed or relapsed, the Lymphoma Research Foundation is an invaluable tool. It's a fantastic resource, number one, for patient education, whether it's online videos, online information, access to clinical trials. Patients can also meet other patients with similar shared experiences as well.
When someone contacts the LRF helpline, we provide them with information about the disease itself, including information about the most common lymphoma subtypes, and we have resources that are specific to these, including fact sheets and booklets. We also provide them with information about treatment options, as well as clinical trials, and whatever their needs might be financial assistance or peer support, for example. One of the ways that we connect individuals with the larger lymphoma community is through our Lymphoma Support Network. This is a peer support program where we match patients, survivors, and caregivers with others who have been through a similar experience. We find that there's certainly something to be said about being able to connect with someone who has walked down a similar path and who can share their own experience with that individual.
I will often refer patients to the lymphoma.org website as well as their app. Both of them provides useful information for whether it's the big picture or also aspects and information for the individual patients.
My involvement with the Lymphoma Research Foundation, currently as an ambassador, as an FDA patient representative, and sat on oncologic drug advisory committee panels for lymphoma treatments. It's what I owe to the team that helped cure me. It's what I owe to the lymphoma community.
Even since my diagnosis, there's been so many new treatments out and even changes in recommendation of what frontline therapies should be. To say how LRF has impacted me, it just has been huge. I felt this relief of anxiety.
The resources that the Lymphoma Research Foundation provides to patients are really invaluable. Coming into the foundation allowed me to do what I need to do as a survivor, and that is to support the new patients that we have, to support the mission to eradicate lymphoma and serve those touched by the disease.